any more than this. Because as long as it's 30 inches and 30 inches or less, you're okay. And I measured this, it's only 24.
Oh, so you know. You're making me struggle to fold.
Yeah,
Okay. So this is going to go, you know, you're going to use a couple of bags all week, more than a couple. I use about, I don't know, quite a few.
Well, and I do these kind of separately, but what's really great is once this is full, I just, on my way out,
put it in your bin.
Put it in the large bin.
Right. Now, folks can put this on their barrel. You can get these on Commercial Street at the DPW, Department of Public Works, and very easy. Put it on your barrel, and you don't need anything special, and you can put all your stuff in the barrel with this sign on the front.
Absolutely.
So I think, you know, we covered mostly everything. We just want to say glass bottles that are clean, plastic bags, go to the grocery store.
Right. I have it back there actually. I have a big plastic bag and I just keep putting all the used plastic bags in. And mostly all the supermarkets have the recycle. They do.
So, Susan, we've said what we have to say. Thank you as a Lynn resident. Me too. Lynn resident, but everybody should do it.
Absolutely.
So, recycle. Don't forget, it's very important because it helps the environment and it helps the community. So I think that, and we told you it's 30 inches for the big cardboard stuff.
As long as they're flat.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Austin McKnight. Thank you for joining me today on a tour of the Avon Material Recovery Facility. Let's take a walk. This is our new commercial cardboard tipping floor. Roll-ups of material are dumped and pushed onto a conveyor, feeding a Bolograph 110. We process approximately 3,000 tons per month for this. This is our single stream and container tipping area. Roll-off and recycle trucks dump their materials here, and they are fed onto the in-feed belts. Containers pass by a pre-sort where trash is removed, and an overhead magnet where we take out the steel. Broken glass is shaken out and pulverized for landfill construction. Whole glass and plastics are separated by air. The remaining glass is QC'd before being crushed, and the plastics are sorted out by T-Tex later in the system. Sorted materials end up in cages to be baled in our Mosley baler. Single stream is fed to a pre-sort station, and a star screen removes the large OCC. The unders are fed back to a second pre-sort, where smaller OCC and film are removed. The remaining paper and containers feed onto the new screens, and those unders are fed to the polishing screen at the end, where the containers are separated from the paper. T-Tex blow out any remaining fiber from the containers. Clean paper is split onto 3 lines for QC before being baled in our HHB 150 Harris. That's our site. Thanks for stopping by.
Hi everyone, we're back. I hope you enjoyed the videos because there's a lot of good information on those videos. I just want to clarify when Manny said as of July 1st, it's already happened this past July 2010. So it's in action, we're doing more recycling and keep it up.
Yes.
Manny, my big question is, let's talk about money. Tell us a little bit about what we're saving.
The reason why the mayor of the city of Lynn want to be sure that the contract was signed and in place was because as of July 1, 2010, the cost of recyclable material was going to jump from 160 to 189, okay? So in order for the city to keep the same price, okay, to hold the line on the cost of recyclable material from 189, from 160 to 189, by going single stream recycling, the city was able to hold the price.
Wow.
Because that was the original cost savings that the city negotiated with
That's
waste
wonderful.
management.
Wonderful.
So instead of paying $189
Yeah.
a ton for recyclable materials, we hold the line
Good.
at $160 a ton.
Wonderful.
So that right there is $19 a ton savings for residents. Impact savings right in the
Yeah,
on the pocket.
in the pocket, sure, yeah.
On the residents.
Right.
Now, the projected savings for the year, according to Waste Management and the numbers of recyclable material, is going to be $145,000 for the first year of the program.
Oh my God, that's
Okay.
great.
Now, the jump on recyclable numbers is going to be, the projection is from 10 to 15% more in addition to what we are recycling right now.
Wonderful.
So this is going to be a direct saving for the residents.
Mhm. Well, I'm thrilled about Greater Lynn Senior Services because now we recycle,
Yes.
which is a wonderful thing because we have so much paper to contribute to recycle. We're able to really make a big dent for the city. I think it's wonderful.
See, in the past we have what is called a dual recycling. People separated, people needed to cut cardboard
That's
pieces and 30 by 30. They don't have to do that anymore.
Right.
All they need to do is flatten the cardboard, put it in the recyclable container, and in your week of recycling, the city will pick it up. Everything going right into the same truck.
But the
Okay?
thing is with the cardboard, Manny, doesn't it have to be 30 inches?
Not anymore.
Oh, not anymore?
Not anymore.
Now, wait a minute, let's say you've got a piece like this, you fold it up as much as you can.
You use folded. Flat can be 60, 80.
Oh, okay,
Because
as long
now,
as it's flat.
now instead of going into a recyclable truck
Yeah,
that only have a small bucket,
right,
now you go into a bucket
big one.
truck,
Yep.
and then you just jump it and put it right into the trash.
Exactly.
It's like a trash truck, but now it's
It
used
is.
for recycling.
yes, it is,
Okay?
yeah,
Now, when that recycling truck goes to the plant,
yeah,
to the facility, all those recyclable pieces go into into
well,
a
they
bulk.
go, yeah, that's
Okay?
right.
And that way it's separated by the technology that
Mhm.
people saw in the
Well, we saw it in the
report.
video, yeah,
Yeah.
which is fantastic.
And they have to keep a quality control, to be sure that all the plastics is separated from the cardboard
Of course.
pieces, from the paper, and that's why it's the quality control of the Avon plan.
When
is
people
so
see
important.
that, when they see the QC,
Oh,
they
yeah.
have to understand that that's the quality control, and that's the big piece of it, sure,
Yeah.
of course. I think it's great.
Yes.
And we want to encourage folks in every city that does recycling to do as much as you can. It couldn't be any easier now, Manny.
Well, right now, we making the call to all the residents to help us recycle.
Absolutely.
Environmentally sound, it's easier, with the new technology of single stream, it shouldn't be any excuses for it.
No excuses, that's right.
Right now, what I'm doing is, I'm stopping in front of Stop and Shops, supermarkets, talking to people about recycling.
Good.
I'm going door to door, anything that people need to know about recycling. The Department of Public Works, my office
Yes.
is open to assist anybody who needs information on recycling.
Oh, that's wonderful,
Yes.
because it's just so important, because to me, it's just so wasteful not to recycle.
Right,
I mean,
right.
that's the key.
Mhm.
And don't forget the calendar. I mean, everybody gets this in the mail. I
Yes.
put it inside my kitchen cabinet because you think you remember every week, but you can't remember. It's every other week, so it's,
Yeah, and also, people need to remember that the recycling container that they used to have in the past, the green and blue bin, those are still good.
oh, of course,
Okay,
I'm using
so
it, sure, we're all
Just
using
because
it.
you're using the recycling stickers,
Yeah, that's for the bag.
that doesn't
Yeah.
mean that you are not going to be using
Exactly.
the regular
We're
recycling
using-
bin.
That's right.
That you can use those those are good, and, you know, show the color also.
Yes,
Of the
of the week.
that you're gonna be
Because it's
recycling.
easy to get confused sometimes, yeah, that's why this is in color.
Yes.
It shows you the green, it's your week, or the blue is your week, so it tells you the date with the week, and then if it's a holiday also, and everything's right on your calendar.
Right.
Manny, thank you, we had a lot of information for everybody today, and let's hope they continue to recycle
Sure.
and more.
Yes.
Thank
more.
you, they're very good, we did a good job today,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.